Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vande Matram. Well done, well done.
अब हम पेश करने जा रहे हैं शेक्सपियर रचित नाटक मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस जो पूरी
Good evening to one and all present here. Here, the students of Sri Vasisth Vidyalaya presents world famed drama of William Shakespeare. This is comedy, a happy ending drama.
From this play, that is, The Merchant of Venice, William Shakespeare wants to convey a message to people that mercy is an earthly power. It is attributed to God Himself. He says that a man without mercy is like a demon.
Now let's see this quite popular drama, The Merchant of Venice. The marriage scene and particularly followed by court scene.
With the same, let's first introduce all the characters of the play. Antonio,
He is rich and generous merchant of Venice.
Bassanio,
A luxurious-minded man, he always likes to live a happy life.
Portia,
A beautiful heroine of the play.
Narisha,
She is maid servant of Portia.
Shylock,
A shrewd, cunning, cruel moneylender.
Duke,
A merciful judge.
and we also have two princes from Scotland and Denmark. Now let's begin the play. Here, Bassanio is seen under tension. He walks up and down. He seeks help from Antonio for money.
Oh God, what should I do right now?
Hey, Bassanio, why are you so tense?
I badly require 3,000 drachmas to participate in the marriage of Portia, to marry her.
3,000 drachmas?
Yes,
Sorry, friend, I don't have this much amount of money with me right now.
please do something.
Okay, let me think. Yes, I can arrange it for you.
How?
Let us go to Silo. He's a very rich but very cruel money lender.
Then how will you manage with him?
You don't worry, I will return it in due course of time. Come, let's go. Hello, Shylock. How do you do?
What have you come for?
I come to you to borrow 3,000 drachmas required for my friend, which will be returned to you with interest in due course of time.
Although you hate me and call me dog, then how can you expect me to lend you money?
Oh, Shylock, please pardon me. Please forgive me. I need it very urgently.
Okay then, I shall lend you.
Oh, Shylock, I am very grateful
But
to...
under a certain written bond.
Under a certain written bond?
Yes.
What is your bond?
If you fail to repay those 3,000 drachmas in due course of 3 months, then, according to bond, a pound of flesh shall be removed from somewhere under your chest.
What? Have some humanity, Shylock.
Humanity! Don't talk of humanity before me, or else you can live.
Antonio, I don't think you must risk your life for the sake of my marriage.
Don't delay in decision.
Oh, Lord. What should I do now? On the one, my friend wants to marry Portia. And on the other, my own life is at risk. Oh,
Do you agree?
being his best friend ever, I must help him. I must help him. Okay then, Shylock. I'm ready to put my sign in the bond prepared by you.
Sign here. Here is your money.
Oh, thank you, Shylock. Thank you very much. Just forget this all, Bassanio. Have your money and marry Portia. Have a happy married life.
Thank you, Antonio.
Don't worry.
Now, Bassanio puts on very costly costume and looks like a prince. He is learned, considerate and handsome.
With this, he goes to the palace of Portia, where those two princes from Denmark and Scotland also comes to compete Bassanio in the open marriage of Portia.
नीचे.
Welcome to the open and auspicious marriage of beautiful lady Portia, my respected mistress. I want to tell you certain rules of marriage. The prince have to select one casket out of 3 very carefully. If they succeed to get a photograph, they will get the hand of my mistress. If they fail, they have to go back very honestly from where they have come. Now I would like to call the first prince of Denmark.
3 caskets, the golden, the silver and the leaden. What a big confusion. What to do now? Only golden is equal to my status. Even Portia as valuable as gold. So I must select the golden casket. Okay. Oh, how sad it is. I missed the golden opportunity to marry the beautiful Portia.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call the Prince of Scotland.
Here are 3 caskets. Which one should I select? The golden, the silver or the leaden? Portia, a beautiful lady and whitish in color. So her photograph must be there in this silver casket. So I should select this one. Oh Lord, how unfortunate I am, who missed the silver opportunity of marrying beautiful Portia.
Next, I would like to call the luxurious-minded man, Bassanio.
Oh, which to select and which to reject is the problem. Which casket should I select? The golden, the silver or the leaden one? As it says that all that glitters isn't gold. So I won't select the golden casket. The same as for the silver one. The silver casket too doesn't seem as it is. So I won't select the silver casket too. But at last, the leaden casket. The leaden casket defines simplicity, on which I follow. So I think I will select the leaden casket. Oh yes! At last! I've got what I wished for so long. Thank you, Lord, for helping me select the right casket.
My Lord, this palace, this fortune, and this life is yours.
Thank you.
After 3 months, Shylock comes to meet Antonio.
Oh, Shylock, please come in. Hello, Shylock.
Antonio, due date of money has already gone. Pay it immediately.
Sorry, Shylock. I'm very helpless this time.
Not at all. You are bound to pay, even at this time, as per your bond to me.
Shylock, I cannot pay back your money because all my ships have not come from merchandise. So how can I?
What? I don't have any concern with your ships right now. I just do concern with my money. Will you pay it now?
Shylock, please try and understand. Give me due date of time.
You have got enough time. Now you will not get any more time.
Shylock.
I am going to
Shylock,
court
listen
to
up.
shoot a file against you.
Shylock,
I will
listen.
authorize you.
Shylock,
That's what it is.
Shylock, listen up. Shylock. Oh God, why this Shylock can't understand me? Now how can I pay back his money and save my life? Now I'm going to die. No. Oh Lord. Lord, please save my life. Please save my life. My life is up to you. Oh Lord. Save my life.
Portia, now the wife of Bassanio, listens from her husband how he was helped financially by Antonio to participate her marriage.
She comes to know that Shylock, a cruel moneylender, has shot a file in court against Antonio, in which he would require to cut a pound of flesh from the chest of Antonio.
So Portia disguises herself as lawyer of Balthasar and her maid servant Nerissa as her clerk. Both of them goes to the court.
ये लेके आएगा ये जब बोलेगा ना ओके यू आर रेडी
Antonio, are you here?
ready so please your grace
I feel sorry that you have been fallen to this misfortune.
I know your majesty that you have taken great pains to try to save me from the cruelty of Shylock, but my lord, I have given up my patience to his anger.
Go on and call the Jew into the court.
He's standing at the door. Here he comes, my lord.
Give him some space. Shylock, it seems that you have been too cruel in asking from this poor merchant a pound of flesh. We accept from you a gentle answer.
I shall have. What is the forfeit of my bond? You ask me why. I chose the pound of his flesh rather than money. I say, it's my humor. Are you answered?
This is no answer, you cruel man, to excuse your cruelty.
I am not here to please you with my answers.
But do all men kill the things they do not love?
Then, do they the things they would not kill?
But every offense is not hate at first.
What? Do you want a serpent sting you twice?
I pray to both of you. Think, would you curse a tide to reach to its usual height? Or you question a wolf to make the fleet of the lamb? Rather than thinking what's harder, we must try to soften what is hard. He is a Jewish heart. I ask you to give him no more offers and find no more means. With the brief conveniency, let me have my judgment and Jew his will.
For your 3,000 ducats, I have 6.
No, I would have my bond.
How shall you hope for mercy, rendering none?
What judgment shall I fear, doing no wrong? You have some slaves who work for you for money. They wait for you as you have bought them. If I ask you to set them free, you will answer, they are my slaves. So I say, the pound of flesh which I demand of him is bought, is mine, and I shall have it. I stand for judgment. Answer, shall I have it?
Upon my power, I may dismiss this place, unless the learned lawyer for whom I sent for comes here.
We have a letter from him. We have a new law for Padua.
Bring the letter, read the message.
Dear Antonio, the Jew shall have my flesh, blood, and bones. You shall not shed a drop of blood for me.
Noble Senor, I have none to live with, but you do have a wife. You shall live to write my affidavit.
Have you come from Padua?
Yes, my lord.
Why do you wet your knife so earnestly?
To cut the forfeiture from him right there.
But can nothing melt your heart?
No, none can.
This letter commends a young and a learned lawyer to this place. Where is he?
He's waiting for your answer, my lord. Do you admit?
With all my hearts, go and give him courteous conduct this place. Meantime, the court shall hear Bellerio's letter. Take it. Is the doctor come? Have you come from Padua?
Yes, my lord.
Please proceed.
I am informed thoroughly of the case. Which is the merchant here and which the Jew?
Antonio and Shylock both stand forth.
Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
Of the strange nature is the suit you follow.
Yes, he does.
Then do you confess the bond?
I do.
The Jew must be merciful then.
On what compulsion must I? Tell me that.
The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. It is mightiest in the mightiest. It becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to the God himself, an earthly power that